Okay. And I have myself a little surprise. Another tiny bottle of champagne, like on the 100 subscribers special. But this one I will open with my microphone. First off, this is super exciting. This I've been waiting for months and months. And this is for 1000 subscribers. So I will unbox the tiny champagne. Even if it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Yay! Thank you for 1000 subscribers. Cheers. Blech. Early morning prosecco. Anyway, so let's get this show on the road. See what I did there? And I forgot to bring a fancy knife. So I'm gonna open it with my fancy pen. Breaking the seal. Seal is broken. It's out the box. Are we ready? Ooh, sorry. My prosecco went down. Let's put some other one on it. The moment all been waiting for. Advertisement. Love your podmic. Share if it does. Rode mic. Yeah. Oh. Is this some significance? No, just some cardboard. There she is. Look at that. Whoa, it's heavy. Ooh la la. Check this out. Finally, I can look at it. Looks nice, looks sleek, but it is surprisingly heavy. Check this out. Different camera angle. The heaviest microphone I ever handled. Supposed to be able to open this and then lock it in place whichever way you like it, and it will pop right here. Hello, welcome, how you doing? Okie dokie. I'm gonna put it right next to the champagne. What else? Nothing. I've been waiting for the microphone to open, right? But I was expecting some unicorn blood or something. Some other stuff in here. It's absolutely nothing. Everything is empty. Everything is just cardboard. I'm not gonna be like the cool kids who throw things out. I love to keep this box. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Put it away nicely. I'm gonna put them back. If there is any problem, I can play it in reverse, like I'm taking it out. And now the fun part begins. Time to set it up. Give it a go. Give it a whirl. Give it a little test. Now that the cat is out of the bag, it's time to put it on its rightful place. It's on. It's gonna sound different a little bit. I need to tweak everything, obviously. And I need to learn a new technique. Because this is a condenser microphone, it works differently than the other one. The other one let anything in. And this have a very cool proximity effect. So if I say, hello and welcome to Radio 2. Today morning, the radio voice is on. I'm so happy. It's finally open. And I'm gonna tweak everything, which is not very interesting, but it's very useful. Thank you everybody for subscribing. I hope you're gonna stick around, because things are about to change and things are gonna be cool as fuck. Oh, by the way, where is the fucking thing? There it is. I got this for this microphone, so you cannot hear my pops and shh sounds as much. Shh, shh, and pops. I'm gonna need to put it on. This is a very happy day for me. Thank you for watching. Please stay subscribed, or if you're new here, subscribe to the Joe Wolf channel. We are doing and going to places. Obviously, might be some very dodgy places, but we are going anyway. Thank you and see you later. Looking good, huh?